Madam, good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Budoy,
Madam?
if you still wake up tomorrow, listen, tomorrow, if you still can wake up, cook 2 eggs for me. 1 dancing water, 1 with ice. Okay? You understand?
1 dancing water. 1 with ice. Ano na naman to eh? 1 dancing water, 1 ice. Ano daw yan? Wala kayo dyan.
Mahirap talaga. Hindi talaga kami magkaintindihan.
Budoy, come! Budoy, come here! Bring the horse and electricity. Come here. Faster!
Problema na naman to. Ano na naman tong horse? Bakit may kabayo dito?
Budoy, faster! I want to go! Faster!
Ala, saan ko mahanapin yung kabayo? Ala, ay, dyan, ay, ano ba yun? May kabayo dito. Saan napunta itong kabayo? May kabayo ba talaga dito? Me! Diyos ko, wala naman kabayo dito, eh. Me! Wala man. Ay, Diyos ko, ano ba talagang kabayo dyan? Ah, ito, naging kabayo yung buhok ko. Bahala ka dyan, ay.
Budoy, where are you?
Madam?
Where are you?
I'm looking horse!
Why outside? The horse in your room.
Horse in my room? Paano na ba ito nakapasok yung horse dyan? Oy!
Budoy,
Madam?
why you go outside? I'm waiting you upstairs. The horse in your room. Why you go outside? Come with me. In your room, go down. You see? There is horse there. Not here. Other way. In. Okay. Straight. This one, the white one, the horse.
This one horse?
Yes. That one.
Madam,
Yes,
this one?
this one.
Ay, Diyos ko, kanina pa talaga akong naghanap ng horse. Ito lang pala.
You bring also the electricity, okay?
This one electricity.
No. This one iron. I need electricity. In your room, there is yellow electricity. The round electricity, yellow. Come.
Madam, this one?
Yes. Yes, that one
This one,
electricity.
electricity.
Faster. I want to go. Faster.
Ang hirap naman, oy.
Sakit na ng ulo ko dito. Hindi talaga ako makaintindi. Budoy, come faster. Give me mother of the spoon. You understand? You hear me? Mother of the spoon.
Mother of the spoon, ano naman yan?
Mother of the spoon, you touch already. Open. You open it. This one. Faster. I want the mother of the spoon. You understand? Yes. This way. No. This one, the daughter. Mother. The mother. Hurry up. Yes. The big one is the mother. Don't forget, okay?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Budoy. Listen. Your husband coming, okay? You clean your room.
Ano na naman to? Wala man akong husband. Bahala na kayo dyan, basta maglinis ako. Hello mga kakuskus. This video is